Polygon is forecasted to drop 1.4% by August 9, according to CoinDataFlow. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. Polygon has moved 0.8% lower since yesterday and is now around an 8 cents. Let's move into expert prediction mode. According to Traders Union's projection, the price may move up to an 8 cents by August 9th, a move that suggests a gain of 0.4%. CoinCodex anticipates Polygon falling to an 8 cents, a drop estimated at 0.6%. According to 30 rates, it might be heading lower toward an 7 cents, a decline estimated at 1.1%. A separate forecast from CoinDataFlow shows Polygon could approach an 7 cents, an estimated decline of 1.4%. Finally, Gov Capital sees the value moving down to an 7 cents by August 9, 2.1% under now. This is the top profit forecast. That's the full picture for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. Let's now review the key metrics behind each forecast. The forecast range now stands between a drop of 2.1% and a rise of 0.4%. Based on these forecasts, Gov Capital stands in first place with 2.1% gain in value by August 9. Put simply, you could come away with between $4 and $21 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probability, Traders Union has the lead with a 77.3% chance of success. Looking across all 5 predictions, I've put forward the clearest consensus path. The consensus forecast points to Polygon declining by about 1%. Now let's dive into it. Consensus calculations suggest a 1% price decrease by tomorrow. This path implies your capital might also go up by around 1%. With a 1,000 base, the move could equal about $10 in potential return. The probability of this consensus scenario being realized is around 71.7%. At this point, here's what analysts anticipate for the coming 3 days. Polygon is expected to continue moving higher, Traders Union suggests. Similarly, CoinCodex sees Polygon losing ground. Meanwhile, 30 rates indicates that prices could dip further. A bearish stance is similarly reflected in CoinDataFlow's forecast. Additionally, Gov Capital highlights that Polygon could slide lower. The consensus picture indicates Polygon could face a period of decline during this horizon. Overall, most analyst perspectives point to Polygon trading on the downside. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the next day. That day has passed, so let's see how they turned out. In the end, yesterday's market closed at an 8 cents. Since the price went that way, all 5 predictions turned out right. If accuracy is the key factor, 30 rates ranked first. Let's organize the outcomes for a clearer picture. 2 forecasts stayed within the candle's range. As for ROI, all forecasts showed gains, with the highest return reaching 0.8%. Let's switch to the summary table. It brings all results into one clear view. For comparison, CoinDataFlow reached 0.7% ROI and 0.20's $1,168 accuracy. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. Now let's take a look at tomorrow's expected returns across several coins to see where Polygon stands. Polygon isn't leading this time, as the top spot goes to Chronos with a forecasted return of 7.8%. In this section, Polygon appears next to 4 randomly chosen cryptocurrencies. The extended table with many more assets is now live on my website. Before we end, let me know which analyst impressed you most and make sure you're subscribed for more daily reviews. Stay well and see you tomorrow.